प्रकाश, इस वाले से शुरू करना।
Okay, so now we are talking about front end and back end. So can you please differentiate for the student what is front end, what is back end, and what are the different things that you need to learn to master these both of the things?
So basically, front end actually is what you see on the web, on the browser. Let's say you are going to Flipkart. So basically what you'll see a navigation bar, you'll see a side menu, you'll see all the products. If you click on it, it will take you to the product listing page and all of these things. That is what front end actually is. Back end is what you don't see under the hood. It's like the database. Where is all of these data coming from? Like you do not know the path where this data is coming from. You do not know to which server you are pinging the request and how you're getting the response. All of these things you do not see. Even when you do payment, right? You do payment, you do online payment, right? So it sends you OTP, you enter your card number, all of these things. What is the process which is happening is basically the backend which is happening. So this is what backend actually is. For front end, you'll require HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and any framework. Let's say React, Angular, Vue, because these are the popular frameworks. For backend, again, you'll require JavaScript. You'll require a framework, let's say Node.js or Django or Flask, and understanding database, let's say SQL or MongoDB. So these are the frameworks or tech stacks you require to become a complete full stack developer. Or if you want to become front end developer, just learn the first part. Backend developer, learn the latter part. With backend also you require DSA as well. Your DSA should be strong enough. DSA should be good enough, right? I'm not saying about basic DSA, but good amount of DSA to do backend.
Yes, I was coming to that point as well. So to summarize, this is the front end. Correct me if I'm wrong. This is the front end where we can use all the things, and what's happening under the hood, what is there inside that's the back end.
Exactly.
Right?
Exactly.
Okay, perfect. So if I'm talking about the most popular frameworks out there, how do you rate them? Like this is the first one that you need to start.